Hi all, welcome to the video on skills to learn for cybersecurity in 2024. Cybersecurity has become a necessity as today we all are dependent on the internet, whether for playing games, financial transactions or watching movies. We are connected to the internet resulting in increase of cyber attacks. Day by day, cyber threats are becoming more persistent and sophisticated. As a result, the demand for expert cybersecurity professionals is growing constantly. Now, are you a fresh graduate or a working professional who wants to develop your career in the cybersecurity? If yes, then becoming an expert in cybersecurity skills will help you face threats and secure valuable data. Now, in this video, we are going to showcase the important or essential skills that you require to become a cybersecurity expert. First is knowledge of operating systems and virtual machines. A cybersecurity professional must be well known about the operating systems such as macOS, Windows, and Linux. Next is cloud security. Companies who are looking for experts with security skills include cloud and public platforms such as AWS and Azure. Nowadays, companies offer cloud infrastructure for storing data and running applications. It includes the implementation of technologies and policies with secure cloud-based devices and systems. Cloud security also includes developing secure systems from the beginning. The demand for people who know how to handle big platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure is high. Next is networking and system administration. Knowing networking in detail is essential for you if you want to start your career in the cybersecurity field. Having knowledge of networking will help you know the technical aspects of data transmission, resulting in securing your data. Additionally, doing networking certifications such as CompTIA Security Plus and Cisco CCNA is good. Along with this, another beneficial skill is to master in system administration. It is configuring and maintaining computers. Next is controls and frameworks. Control is a measure that your company makes use to secure itself from attacks and vulnerabilities. And frameworks offer a wide range of best practices such as security protocols, tools, and policies to protect the business and data operations of an organization. Next is knowledge of core programming languages. Are you a cybersecurity professional? Then you have to make use of core programming languages such as PHP, SQL, JavaScript, Python, and C++. Having knowledge of these programming languages is essential for identifying vulnerabilities and threats. Moreover, knowing the language patterns used in hacking could be beneficial during a cyber attack. Next is incident response. Having a perfect incident response plan and the essential skills to implement it effectively is vital for reducing damage and recovering quickly. It includes skills in ICER. ICER stands for Incident Identification, Containment, Eradication, and Recovery. Next is identity and access management. Managing user access to systems and resources is important to avoid unauthorized accesses and data breaches. Becoming a master in IAM concepts, authentication, and authorization is essential for protecting access to sensitive infos or data. Next is intrusion detection. Monitoring network activity for potential intrusions is an essential part of a cybersecurity. Having knowledge of how to use intrusion security information and management products, intrusion detection software, intrusion prevention software, and intrusion detection systems would be good, as this will help you detect security violations or suspicious activity without any hassle and quickly. Scripting. Scripting is coding in which you make any program do something. The difference between coding and scripts is coding is static, but scripts can move text and images around. Knowing how to build tools and automate repetitive tasks using languages such as PowerShell and Python will help you become a more proficient analyst or cybersecurity expert. Now, I hope you all are clear with the essential skills to learn for cybersecurity or to become a cybersecurity expert in 2024. Now, do you want to upgrade your cybersecurity skills or want to do certifications in cybersecurity or want to know about cybersecurity? Why wait? Join us. GoLogica provides training on cybersecurity skills. We have a pool of expert trainers with years of experience in guiding people on what are cybersecurity, essential cybersecurity skills, types of cyber threats, which certification is best, and much more. Moreover, with us, you will get essential and relevant study material when it comes to cybersecurity. You can call us on, give a number, or visit gologica.com. Thank you.